Hey YouTube, I'm a bit of science buff, and so I'm going to show you the experiment of the floating egg. First, you'll need some water, lively glass, healthy water. Fill in the water with the jug, like so. Well, my assistant just gives me some more water to fill up. Thank you. I'm his assistant. Bit more water for my assistant. You may need a dog to help you with this experiment because it's very messy and can be quite dangerous. If the egg does explode, just grab another and you shall be okay. Thank you. So, as you see, the egg will sink. Egg will sink. Sinking egg. See? See the egg sink. And now, I know I'm webcam recording, not very good, but you see the egg sinking. But now I add salt, you'll see the egg floating instead of sinking. So, pour it in. Stir the egg around with the salt. More salt, please, assistant. Hang on. Can you see? My egg is now floating. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Tune in again for some more science experiments, episode 1.